Look at me. How old are you?
3 years old.
3? What are you going to read today?
Calvin Hobbes.
Calvin Hobbes. Okay, let's read it.
I brought a scary story out, so all set. What's it called? The hideous monster who was japed in your backyard to dismember you. Gosh, this is the creepiest story I ever heard. Don't stop. Keep reading. Slowly, the bug monster approached the itching campers. What was that noise? Oh, stop it. This is scary enough. No, really, I heard something. Listen. Snap. It's a bug monster. Oh, no, no, no. Turn off the flashlight. Lay still. Crunch, crack, crunch, crack. It's coming closer and closer. We're doomed. Zip. Zip. Oh my gosh, it's doing the damn flaps. Ah, there it is. Play with the flashlight. Put on the test balls. One hot one.
What does the last one say?
Where's your dad? He just went out to check on you. The bug monster must have got him.
Del, good job.
Thank you.